Now, in a previous video, I had a small media converter called RoboFiber. Okay, and I showed you that. In this particular case, all right, this happens to be a fiber Ethernet media converter, but it's actually that and so much more. And let me unbox it and tell you about it. Now, if you're interested in this product, I'm going to put a link in the description so that you'll be able to go and buy one and check it out yourself. Okay, and this is the package. Okay. Now, in this particular box, what we have is this is actually a 10G fiber SFP, right? But what comes in the box is a pencil. I'm not sure why, but they give you a nice pencil. A set of instructions with all of the switch settings on there. And then you get a media converter. I'll open this and I'll explain to you what I use it for. Now, this media converter has 2 fibers on it. So, and actually four copper ports. So if you're not using this, it acts as a dumb Ethernet switch, okay? And there's your part number on there, and I will put a link in the description for you can go buy the same part number if you want to. Now, what's nice about this is that this particular Ethernet switch is 10, 100, or 1,000, right? So 10 meg, 100 meg, or a gigabit connection. And that's all well and good. And it's auto, so you don't have to set any switches on this one. But in this case here, what we have and how I use it is, let's say I have 4 televisions that have network connections or computer devices attached to them. I will have this mounted someplace, let's say in a basement, and then I will feed the fiber connection goes into the network, the right network that I want to put this on, and then these four ports here, these will plug into computers that power TVs that actually provide different types of information for people as they walk by to see it. Works really well. I've used a lot of these. I've never had a problem with them, and I recommend them. So if you need one of these, and these also come with rubber feet that you could put on the bottom if you have to put them on a shelf. But typically we wall mount these. This is purchased on Amazon. Link will be in the description. I want to thank you for checking this video out. But that's another unboxing for you today. And again, the company here is Adnet. Fiber Ethernet media converter. Acts as a dumb switch. 4 ports of copper and two fiber ports. And that can be single mode or multi-mode. It all depends on the SFP that you put in here. Okay, so you have a great day and thanks for watching.